Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In last class we discussed about a linear equation in two variables, pair of linear equations in two variables and standard form, geometrical representation and all. So let's start exercise 3.1 now. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Here we have two characters. One is Aftab and second one is his daughter. Let present age of daughter be x years. Present age of Aftab be y years. So these are the two variables. We are going to form a linear equation in two variables. So x and y, two variables. We got two variables. Now the condition 7 years ago. So 7 years ago, age of daughter is equal to x minus 7. 7 years ago. So present age is x. So x minus 7 years. Age of Aftab, present age is y years, so y minus 7. So according to problem, what is the condition? 7 years ago, I means Aftab was 7 times. 7 years ago, Aftab's age is y minus 7, that is equal to 7 times as old as you were then, means 7 times daughter says 7 years ago. This is our first equation. So y minus 7 is equal to 7x minus 49. 7x minus y minus 49 plus 7 is equal to 0. 7x minus y minus 42 is equal to 0. This is our first equation. Then also 3 years from now, so 3 years from now, age of daughter, present age of daughter is x years. After 3 years, daughter's age will be x plus 3 years. And age of Aftab, y plus 3. So according to problem, 3 years from now I shall be 3 times. So Aftab says after 3 years y plus 3 is equal to 3 times daughter says, that is x plus 3. So y plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 9. 3x minus y plus 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. That is 3x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is what we represented situation algebraically. First equation is 7x minus y minus 42 is equal to 0. That is first equation. And 3x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0 is the second equation. Now we got pair of linear equations in two variables. This is algebraical representation. Now same thing we have to represent graphically. For graphical representation, we require two solutions for each equation. So let us consider first equation. Equation 1, that is 7x minus y minus 42 is equal to 0. 7x is equal to y plus 42. X is equal to y plus 42 by 7. We need to find two solutions. Okay. X is equal to y plus 42 by 7. If you keep on giving values to y, you will be getting values for x. So here first one I am taking y as 0. 0 plus 42, 42 by 7, that is x is 6. Okay. In second condition, any value you can give for y. Here I am giving 7. If y is 7, 42 plus 7, 49. 49 by 7, 7. Here we got two solutions for equation 1. In the same way, we have to find two solutions for equation 2. Equation 2, that is 3x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to y minus 6. X is equal to y minus 6 by 3. X is equal to y minus 6 by 3. So if I give y, if I take y as 0, 0 minus 6 by 3, that is minus 6 by 3, x will be minus 2. Okay. Then if I take y as 0, already it is taken. So if I take y is 6. 6 minus 6, 0 by 3. 0 by anything is 0. So x will be 0. Now graphical representation. Vertical axis, that is y axis. Horizontal axis, x axis. So this is x. Negative x axis, y. Negative y axis, y dash. Negative y axis. And point of intersection of coordinate axis, that is origin. Now solution of first equation, 6 comma 0. That means x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 0. So this point lies on x axis because its y coordinate is 0. 6 comma 0 lies on x axis. Then 7 comma 7. X coordinate is 7 and y coordinate is also 7. This is equation 1, that is 7x minus y minus 42 is equal to 0. We all know that graph of a linear equation is a straight line. Then equation 2, that is 3x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Solution set. First one is minus 2 comma 0. Here also x coordinate is minus 2 and y coordinate is 0. So it lies on negative x axis, minus 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 6. So it lies on y axis because its x coordinate is 0. So equation 2, that is 3x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. If you do it on a graph sheet, perfect straight line you will get, children. Here it is a free hand, so it is like this, but you will get a straight line. Graph of a linear equation is always a straight line.